Earth is the third planet from the Sun, 93 million miles away. About 71% of Earth's surface is oceanic water. Earth's atmosphere supports life with 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. Earth's magnetic field shields it from harmful solar radiation. Earth has one moon, affecting tides and climate stability. Plate movement causes earthquakes, volcanoes, and mountains. Earth hosts millions of species in diverse ecosystems. Earth's shape is slightly flattened due to rotation. A day is 24 hours. A year is about 365.25 days. Earth is 4.54 billion years old, recycling crust and supporting life.